Yo, Kyle, You're Behind BBQ. It's game day. The boys are coming over. America's team is playing. We need to make some wings. Let's make some crazy wings. So we're gonna make some wings. We're gonna wrap them in bacon. We're gonna cook them on the grill and ready to go. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna use a half a cup of oil. Okay, so mix these up a little bit. Mix them up, mix them up. Okay, then keep it simple. I use the Cosmos SPG. You can use any kind of wing dust, any kind of wing seasoning, anything you would like to use on wings. This is just what I like. So we're gonna coat these up. Give it a mix. Now, I will say, this recipe I'm giving you right now, this is taking first place in a couple appetizer categories and a wing category. Okay, that's about good. All right, the wings have been seasoned, the wings are sitting. Now let's wrap them in bacon. At this time, once your wings are seasoned and they're kind of marinating, fire up your grill, get your grill going, get it nice and hot. Today I'm using the Vortex. So it's going, and I'm gonna start wrapping these. Like cheap bacon, use the thin stuff. You don't want the real thick, expensive stuff. Wrap them tight.
Hey, what's going on? It's game day. I'm getting kind of hungry here.
Pops is here.
Oh, the famous wings. That's the same method you used when you won that.
Yep.
When you won a couple of
Yep.
appetizer categories.
The award-winning wings.
I think the key thing is when you're cooking these is just like anything that's wrapped in bacon, get it crisp. No one likes a soggy bacon, you know. And the luxury about the Vortex method of cooking is you get an extremely high heat, and that definitely helps crisp the bacon. So, really important.
All right, the wings are wrapped in bacon. They look like they're ready to go. We got one more step. We're gonna season them with honey killer bee, the Cosmos. We're gonna season them lightly, medium lightly. Let them sit, then get ready to throw them on the grill. So. Okay. Wings are seasoned, they're ready to hit the grill. We're gonna rotate every 10 minutes. So once the wings hit the grill, rotate them every 10 minutes. Now you can cook these on the smoker. You can cook this on your gas grill. You can cook it on a regular grill. I just prefer the Vortex. I like the way the bacon crisps up on that. So 10 minutes, we'll rotate the lid. All right, the wings are done. We rotated it 3 turns. The game's about to start. We're gonna get these wings off, and it's time to eat. Pops, come grab this cutting board.
Hey, come on, yeah. Game's almost ready. Oh boy, those look good. The bacon is like really crispy. Wow. If you wrap these things tight, they don't come unraveled just like you see here. And that helps out. Okay, so I also made a couple of different sauces to use on here. And I'm gonna show you 3 different ways to eat, the way we like to eat the wings. So let me grab the sauce. Okay, so the first sauce is just your traditional buffalo hot wing sauce, which is, you know, the Durkee's hot sauce. And I use half Durkee's, and I like to use Crystal also. So it's like half Crystal, half Durkee, you know, some melted butter and some pepper. That's what's in this one. This one here is a little bit on the cooler side. I've got some sour cream in there, I've got some crystal in there, and I've got some pepper in there. So about a third of this is the sauce, the other 2/3 is the sour cream. So that's what, and the third way, Kyle, hand me the dirty bird there, the hot dirty bird. The third way is like not having any sauce at all, just dusting it with the Cosmos hot dirty bird. That's really good too. So that's the 3 ways we're gonna do it today. Kyle, you start it out.
Yeah, I'm ready to eat, so. What's good?
In my case, I like 2 ways because I like really spicy stuff. So I'm gonna dust that really good, and I'm gonna dip it in there, and that's mine.
Hope you guys like this video. We gotta go catch the game. If you want to make something, you want to impress your friends, watching the game, whatever you're doing, do this. They'll enjoy this.
Very good, very good.
Make sure you like our video, subscribe, leave a comment. Go Cowboys.